Hood meals, of course. I should put on some music, but I kind of want to post this on YouTube, and I kind of don't want to get copyright strike. I was going to do this, like, I sit in Discord and just set my camera up. My Discord don't want to work, and I'm not going to be L Streamer, bruh. I'm not going to be L Streamer! Damn, I look kind of, ooh, hold on, I look kind of, hold on. What are you cooking? I'm going to make some Ghetto Ramen stir fry. Feel me? And my packs of ramen right here. I'm cutting and cleaning the shrimp here. I guess I should show you now. I'm fucking cleaning and getting the shit out of the shrimps and shit. Y'all, when y'all be making shrimp, y'all be cleaning it for real? Y'all real shrimp cleaners or nah? Y'all be cleaning y'all shits? Oh shit. What the fuck? This one was in there. That nigga was constipated. What the fuck? That nigga was constipated. That nigga was shitting for real. What the fuck? That shit act like it didn't want to come out. I wonder if some of these shrimp died like mid shit. Like, that'd be crazy. Like, when animals die, like, do they shit themselves? Like, I think it's a thing where, like, once a person, like, dies or something, like, they shit themselves. Is it, like, the same for animals? Like, do they shit themselves? I wonder. I know niggas seen me end stream and thought, like, I was about to be L Streamer of the fucking year. They thought I was about to, just call it a day. But look at that. JV SpaceboyWiz for real, bro. JV SpaceboyWiz, bro. Like, what the fuck? I said, I saw the adversity, and guess what? I said, I'm still going to cook for niggas, you feel me? I'm still going. It's crazy because I didn't take trash out. I probably look, like, dirty and homeless. Damn. Mama gonna beat my ass. Fuck. Fuck. Mod view tune in the building. Type shit. Ah. Alright. Let me cut these. Up. Trying to give y'all the fucking angles and shit. Because it's going to be a fucking video. I need a bowl. for when I season these shits. I cut my shits into 4. Shrimp? Yeah. I'm making ghetto ramen stir fry. I put shrimp in my shit. I just cleaned it out so there's no shit particles in it. I don't use a lot though. I could have used more. Genuinely, I could have used more, but I'm only cooking for myself, so this should be enough. Loki don't even need 2 packs of this shit. Could just use 1, but I like a lot of ramen. I should have made curry shrimp for all this, honestly. Okay, it shows you a little 1-2, little 1-2, 1-2. You'll be like, oh my god, you're so Jamaican. Head ass. Not gonna lie, that would have been better. Yeah, but niggas was supposed to do a ghetto cook-off with Trey. So, feel me? I forgot that nigga Trey. That nigga Trey genuinely don't know how to fucking cook. Like, I dead forgot that, bruh. Like, I proposed this idea to him, but this nigga genuinely don't know how to cook. And I don't know how I forgot that. Like, this nigga couldn't cook to save either one of our lives. And that's so crazy to me. I should get these noodles. It's crazy because I could have done all this shit in the microwave except for the meat that I'm preparing. Actually, I couldn't done none of this shit in the microwave. You really do gotta cook this shit on the stove. I'm not gonna lie. The noodles I could have done in the microwave though. But, feel me? Niggas is being a little... Yeah, I gotta put on a little bit for the stream and shit, you know? Know what I'm saying? I'm not funny. Hassana and Wiz cooking stream, my fault. Hassana don't want to cook with me. That ass boy. Nah, bro. On God, that shit would never fucking happen. Imagine. That shit would never fucking happen. Oh, Elliot. Yo, niggas had... Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. Want me to be a manager? Oh, you be my manager? Shit, I'm down. These niggas... Okay, one thing that y'all should always fucking remember. Always. If you have an electric stove, even if you have a gasoline one, make sure y'all clean the shit, bro. That shit just started smoking. I'm like, what the fuck? Always make sure that y'all clean y'all fucking stoves. Cause them shits will catch fire if they don't be clean. Like my peoples did not clean our shit. So I guess I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. I can make that collab happen for real. Amen. Hey, shit. If niggas really want it to happen, I'll run out of B&B. Feel me. Niggas can go half on the food, and shit. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Say not online. Niggas said say that. Nah, bro. She's not doing. First of all, she's not doing a cooking collab with you, bro. I don't ever see me and Hassan. Also, I make sausage with this shit. I had sausage to my shit, bro. I went out and bought all these groceries just for this stream. That's how you know I said I'm locked in, bro. I went to this grocery store and I bought everything for this, bro. Swear to God. I just bought everything for this motherfucker. And if you ever, and you feel me, if y'all cutting up one thing on here, bro, wash that shit. Wash it, dry it off nice for your next, you feel me, whatever next you chopping on it, bro. You don't, even though I'm about to put these shits in the same thing, I don't know, it's funny because I'm particular about that, but I'm not particular about, like, other stuff, like, like, when I'm seasoning my food, I mix them together with when I season them. I don't know, I'm weird like that, but when it comes to the chopping board, I don't do it. I don't know. I'm just very odd. I'm very particular in how I do things. Am I weird? Probably. Is it pointless? Probably. Damn. This shit thick as hell. Hey, this how I be when I'm gooning. Shit be like that, though. Shit is be there. I'm saying, like, I don't know. I be feeling like when I do shit, like, I'm just weird. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I cook very weird. I don't need it that high. Hold on now. Hold on now. Yeah, I don't need it that high. 4 is cool. Cause I'm not cooking the noodles. That's not how I'm cooking them. I just need them to be able to pull apart. This shit is not fitting in no fucking sandwich bag. I'm a fucking dicky. Bless me. What's that? Clip? Shit is insane. What the fuck? Did this nigga just clip my shit, bro? What the fuck? My view is clip easy access. Nice. So just like with the, oh, I should show y'all. Just like with the shrimp. Just like with the shrimp. I cut it into 4s. Like, I'll slice. Then I'll cut 1, 2. Like, when I tell y'all, I'm very weird and meticulous with how I, like, cook things. I'm just weird like that. And it doesn't even have to be even. I just think that it comes out better because you get more out of it. Like, instead of just dumping like all this shit together, you feel me? Like, I just feel like you get more out of it when you do it this way. Autism? High key, bro. Like, it's on my shit's on full display when I cook. Like, my shit's always on display, but it really does like come out crazy when I'm cooking. Cause I'm still going, you see how I just did that? Like, I'm still going slice, cut into 4. And I'm gonna do it with this part too. Like, smoke full of that tism on God, bro. Like I'm fully tismed, bro. I'm fully tismed. And that's all you, I mean, it's crazy because, again, we are again, you know what I mean? Dry it, you know what I mean? Dry it. Guy, come on, bro. If you're making ghetto noodles, bro, you gotta put some broccoli in there. Now, me personally, I put broccoli in my shit. Niggas could put corn or whatever, bro. I put broccoli. I don't know why. I put broccoli. Sometimes I do have to cut these. Like this one. I'm gonna have to cut it. Now this, you don't have to cut into 4. Like my autism doesn't trigger for 4s when I'm cutting broccolis. I'm not gonna lie, because it's like, and like I can't really picture it sliced perfectly into a 4. Like, see, I can do that, but it's like, it's no point. So I'm really just cut it up as best as possible and make it work on some shit. Yo, Pat, why I come into the stream and start smelling weed? Whoa, buddy. I didn't even go pick none up yet, buddy. Ain't no weed was smoked today, man. Later, though, when I'm off a stream, yeah. Yo, it's crazy because I don't think I've yet to stream high. Like, I haven't got on stream high out my mind yet. Funny enough. Do I need more broccoli? I'm gonna cut like 2 more. Turk the Demon. What we eating, nigga? Yeah, drug deal? Drug deal is crazy. Niggas is making Ghetto Ramen, bro. I'm making my Ghetto Ramen and shit. I got my noodles. I'm making my Ghetto Ramen stir fry, nigga. Hold on. Ina. Need a plate. You motherfucker on a plate. Making Woo stir fry. Pass me greens and I'm trying to go to space. Oh, bet. Pass me a plate when we done. What the fuck? Now, if I time you out for the goofball shit, nigga said. What the fuck? What is niggas talking about, bro? What the fuck? What are y'all niggas yapping about? Alright, so I'm about to, cause I did OD these noodles a little bit. Cause they wasn't supposed to be like this soggy. They were supposed to be a little harder than this. But these noodles cooked. I didn't, like, I kind of fucked up. My autism is acting up on me a little bit. Just a little. Because I let them cook a little too long. I should have put them on 2 instead of 3. But that's okay. They are not cooked. Oh shit. Hold on. Put y'all over here. This is a better view. Hey, stop looking at my belt, nigga. Like, stop looking at my pants. Y'all niggas freaky. Alright, so I got my mix of sausage, shrimp, and broccoli. So what you gonna do is you gonna take this, right? You take these, right? You get it right. You feel me? Niggas gotta get it right now. Yeah. Feel me? Gotta get it all over, you feel me? It only need one for real. Niggas only need one for real, you feel me? On some cool shit. I gotta add the garlic powder, you feel me? This shit not even open. Mama, don't beat my ass. I didn't beat over your garlic. Head ass boy. Anyways. Oh, they got the big boy one open. Okay, my fault. Add some of that. I would use seasoning salt, but it's like, I already got that. I mean, niggas can add a little, because I like seasoning salt. So I'm just going to add a little, like, you feel me? Yeah, just a sprinkle. So that niggas, you feel me, get in there. You gotta mix it all around. Season it up. Damn, well, missed out on shrimp. See, I need to season this more. And this is why niggas have a seasoning salt. How's your little brother, Wiz? I forgot. That nigga is in Florida right now living his life. I'm home alone, by the way. That's why I'm cooking. That you had one, I'm not gonna lie. I have a couple. But they're good. They're just chilling. They're in Florida right now, visiting family and shit. You feel me? On some cool shit. Like, see, this is good. This is good. This is well seasoned. All right. All ready for the fun part? This is where it get good. This is where it get good. Yeah, I forgot that you had a baby brother. Yeah, that nigga's good. He's just been being a terror. Like, that nigga's just, you know, living his best life, terrorizing, you know, the whole household and shit. Acting like he runs the place, you know. You know, typical little brother shit. Hopefully nothing broke. Don't beat my ass. I'm just trying to look good for the camera. You know? Where's that one pan? They get rid of it? Oh, they got rid of my favorite fucking pan. It's ass. Well, that's the case. I guess I'll just use this one. Use this one, the big one. Wait, what? Where's the garlic bread? I guess he's not making ramen. I am making ramen. I'm making ramen stir fry. I told you, ghetto cooking. We're doing ghetto but fashionable cooking. Alright, kids, don't try this at home if you don't have an adult with you. I know you are. He's just asking for the garlic bread, though. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, nigga. I'm not eating garlic bread with this. That's crazy. I do have to get garlic bread tomorrow because tomorrow I'm making myself some... What's it called? I'm making chicken and shrimp Alfredo tomorrow. I can't find a fucking spatula. Great, that's fine. It's not needed. So, like, how are y'all doing on this wonderful, lovely day and evening? You know, it's just here cooking and shit. No, let me stop. It's crazy because I did used to want to be a chef when I was younger. So it was like doing this is kind of weird for me because like chefing was something that I wanted to do, but like am I that good at cooking to where I would make it through culinary school and, you know, make it for real? Probably not. Like probably not. Like I'm cool in the kitchen, but I'm not all that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not like that nigga Carmi, bro. That nigga Carmi, that nigga made Sprite out of thin fucking air. I wish. Truly, I wish. My name is Tony Snow. Bro, I promise you I can't cook for real. Like, I did this shit off a whim. Like, what's the best thing that y'all know how to make? Like what y'all be cooking at home and shit? Like, let me know. Like, I'm genuinely curious and shit. What's y'all best meal? What can I expect if I was coming over your house right now? Damn, nobody got a best meal? If I had to make y'all niggas my best meal, you know what I'm making y'all? Y'all know what I'm making y'all? I could bake something. Plus, I cook some good ass burgers. Low key, a nigga could fuck up a burger. I could. Hell no. What's you know what's funny? You know where I really like had this idea? I was looking at Silky's old videos on his Silky Live channel. Nigga had cooking with Chef Woo, the Woo back burger. I was like, hold on, I can do something with this. So you feel me? That's where I got the ghetto. Like I got the ghetto cooking idea for like from my ex to do with Trey. Like I got that shit from my ex. And then like when it came to like doing it right now today on stream, I was just like looking at Silky old VODs and I was like, well, I never did the ghetto cooking stream with Trey. So I was like, fuck it. Let's cook for these niggas. You feel me? Let me get in the field for real. Let me show these women out here men can cook too. Now is it gonna be a nice 5-star fucking meal? Hell no. What the fuck I look like? But I can make a little something. Feel me? I don't got my Jamaican stripes yet to be making the curry goat and shit, but don't worry, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. I'm gonna lock in one of these days and really sit in the kitchen. Like I haven't been in the kitchen with my grandma to really like learn how niggas be making like the real Jamaican food. Like I could do like simple. I could do like a brown stew fish, maybe like a brown stew chicken, some curry shrimp, but like nothing OD. Like I don't really got nothing OD in my bag for real. Like unfortunately. Cause if I did, y'all niggas, I would have really fucked y'all up on this stream, bruh. If I really had it, if niggas really had it, niggas would have been fucked up on the stream, bruh. I would have been like, oh my god, Wiz can cook for real. Oh. But you feel me? Like, you know, I'm gonna stick to my little ghetto cooking and shit. You feel me? The shit that I make shit that I make when I'm by myself at home and I'm like, fuck it, niggas is hungry and niggas don't want to order food. Cause you know niggas is broke nowadays. Feel me? Niggas is poor and shit. Nah, Dashy was the GOAT for the cooking videos. Remember the cereal pizza? Yo, I remember Dashy's cooking videos, bro. Yo, what he made that one time? I think it was tacos. I think it was fucking. I think he did one with ramen too. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Dashy's cooking videos. I think that's what really got me onto Dashy for real. Like that's when I knew like Dashy was dead funny. Like everybody got to Dashy because like gaming and shit. Like, I got to him because of his skits and mainly the cooking videos. I'm gonna keep it a bean. Does that make me not a true Dashy person? Like, a Dashy fan? That's when I found Dashy, I'm not gonna lie. Those are, like, my earliest thing there's of Dashy. Like, earliest memories of Dashy. Like, what was that one skit? It was, like, the Barracuda. The nigga from Mortal Kombat. The real ugly nigga with the teeth and, like, I think he had, like, things on his arm. I haven't played Mortal Kombat in forever. And I never used his character for real. I was more of a Scorpion and Sub-Zero ass nigga. So, like, I can't really think of the nigga off the top of my head. But y'all gaming ass niggas should know who I'm talking about, bro. Am I a fake gamer? Yeah. Yeah. I found Dashy when that nigga was doing his skits and playing Mario Kart. Okay. Cooking stream and shit holding. Cooking stream and shit holding. What are we cooking? I'm making a Ghetto Ramen stir fry. You feel me? On some cool shit. On some like, feel me? Like on some like, you feel me? Like I do this, not really, but I do this type shit on some like cool shit. Alright. You coming for me by bag? How is it going? It's good. You coming for my bag? I am so sorry, Juice. Me and Trey was supposed to do a ghetto cook-off, but it didn't happen, so I was like, I gotta make up for it. Plus, this is my first stream back. I'm making ghetto food, bro. You actually know how to cook. Yo, first of all, Juice made us breakfast at DreamCon? Oh my god. Nigga made croissant, French toast. On God, I felt like I was having a 5-star breakfast. That shit was crazy. I swear to God. That shit was insane to me. I was like, Jesus. I'm retired until the PC get here. Hey, man. Alright, hold on. I just, look. Oh my God, why did it look like that? But, I'm so glad you liked it. I loved it. Juice be ready to cook for niggas. Got the sausage, got the shrimp, got the broccoli. Feel me? I still want my plate, man. Juice gotta get Goldie right, man. Gotta get Goldie right. Alright, so this is when you come take your noodles and see, this is what makes it ghetto for real, because like you take the same pan that you was using, because I thought niggas wasn't gonna fuck with it. Nigga, that shit was fucking amazing. But and you just basically put it in here. So you start frying it, because it's supposed to be like a stir fry. Regular noodles, you know, you make them shits, but nigga, we making a stir fry. Nigga, this a stir fry. Like, this some real nigga shit, bro. Hold on. Gotta get my pepper. If I have any. Oh, okay, cool. I don't know if it's just a me and my family thing, but niggas dead cut pepper into their food. Like, I cut pepper when I'm doing this. Some exotic hood meal, low key. Yeah, that's some real nigga shit, alright. The way this is not ghetto is actually how it'll carry over the flavor. Really? I feel like this shit ghetto as hell. So now, got that shit cooking. Yo, this fucked up ass tripod, goddamn. Alright, there we go. Oh, I got a plate of ramen noodles. Yes, bro. I got the plate of ramen noodles, bro. So then, boom. You gotta get it, you feel me? Put it in the pan so it get a little crisp. I'm not gonna lie, there is barely any oil because these noodles soaked it up. But that's okay, though. You feel me? It's alright. You feel me? It's gonna stick a little bit. I don't got that much oil, feel me? But it's okay. It's not really supposed to, you feel me, be all that for real. Because this is when you get freaky with it, you feel me? You get freaky because you add the shit. But dinner was my original plan. Oh, you was talking about her dinner. Put this back in over it with some shit. You feel me? And you start cooking it back up again, you feel me? And then this how you finish it. This how niggas finish it, bro. Now look. I'ma give y'all the fucking sauce. Literally. This shit make it, nigga. This shit right here. You gotta get the sweet chili one. This shit right here, nigga. This shit fucking make it. You feel me? This is my ghetto stir fry. You feel me? It's on some cool shit. It's not that hard. It doesn't take long to make. And like, you feel me? Like you can make that. Yo, I made this for like my family, my mom, my stepdad, and my baby brother. They went to where they went? I think they went to Jamaica. No, they went to Vegas. Them niggas went to Vegas and shit. And you feel me? Niggas went to Vegas. It was me, my cousin, and my little siblings left here. Grandpa was watching us and shit. And you feel me? Niggas had to cook. Because my grandpa, one thing about my grandpa is, this nigga only know how to make breakfast. This nigga, yo, I swear to God, if it comes to breakfast, this nigga will be the first person in the kitchen. But anything else, this nigga cannot make. So I was cooking the whole time my parents was away or I was buying food. I swear to God, that was the... This nigga would make breakfast for lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Shout out Grandpa, man. He's such a great guy, man. He just yapped my head off a lot. But he's a great guy, man. But it's a Southern thing. Question. It is, I noticed. Wait, what? Breakfast for dinner, cool? Wiz? Breakfast. Nothing is wrong with breakfast for dinner. Cause like I eat a lot of breakfast foods for dinner. I eat dinner for breakfast most of the time. Like I'll eat stuff when I'm not supposed to because I like to. It's just this nigga only could really make... Bro, this nigga made rice one time. What's the question? What's the question, Juice? But this nigga only knew how to make fucking breakfast. Like, he tried to make rice one time, and I swear to God, the rice was mush. My little siblings. Nigga is probably like 4 or 5. The other nigga is like 10, 12. Niggas looked at him crazy, looked at him and was like, I think Kosh is supposed to be making something. We're just gonna wait for him. What we cooking? I made a ghetto stir fry. Type shit. Type shit, type shit. Type shit. But Juice, what was your question? Did you ask it? What was the question, Juice? What was the question? Alright, this shit's done. Alright. So food's done. I'm waiting on Juice to ask her question. Bro, it's crazy because this really only took me 45 minutes. Like, I never actually timed how long it takes me to make this food. So it's like seeing that this stream has been going on for 45 minutes is actually kind of crazy. Like, that's actually a quick-ass meal. And I'm probably going to eat all of this by myself. Oh, if that's the question, it really depends. It depends if the person is a good person or not. If they treated you right, take them serious. But if they was on bullshit and they're just saying it to say it, take it with a grain of salt. That's how I look at it, honestly. I hope that answers your question. Are you back in here, Juice? I hope that answered your question. Really and truly, that's what you should do. Take it take it with a grain of salt if they really played in your face. But if they was honestly treating you right, and like, you know, they were like genuinely showed you that they're a good person with a good heart, then you could take them serious. But if they live in the country and if they're here on a working visa, don't take that shit serious. They trying to get a green card, nigga. Don't take that shit serious whatsoever. Dub that nigga. It's like, no. I mean, it could be that too, but like, I don't know. I'm just, it's not a high possibility, but it's a possibility. Okay. I'll let you know that it's surely a possibility. Them niggas, they ready to marry for a green card. I promise you. But yeah, dude. This was Cooking with Chef Wiz. I don't know how to end this up. This is different. Like, I never did this before. I don't know if I'll do a stream like this again. I might do a fucking HelloFresh sponsorship and do this shit again. But yeah, dude. Shout out, y'all. Appreciate everybody who came through. I'll probably make this a video and post it on my main channel, because why not? This was kind of fun. And y'all got to talk shit and like tell me about my autism. So, which is being displayed right now because I'm playing with like my jean shorts that I have on. Like I'm literally doing this with my jean shorts, like while talking to y'all. I can't sit still. Is that ADHD or autism, chat? But yeah. Appreciate everybody who came through. Bye, guys.